वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to season 2 of Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In the last episode, we discussed how Baba Amar Das ji met a brahmachari sadhu on his journey back home. Babaji then welcomed him warmly, offering food and rest. However, when in their conversation the brahmachari discovered that Baba Amar Das ji had no guru, he was shocked and left the house abruptly, deeply disappointed. Now, this moment became a turning point in Baba Amar Das ji's life. This incident deeply troubled Baba Amar Das ji. For days, the brahmachari's words echoed in his mind. What wisdom can there be without guidance? What wisdom can there be without guidance? He carried this ache with him, unable to find solace. Though he continued his daily practices, Baba Amarji knew that they alone could not bring him peace that he sought. His heart yearned for the divine wisdom that only a guru could offer, someone who could lead him, guide him, and help him resolve the restlessness within his soul. My dear friends, this is a lesson we all can reflect on. In our own lives, we may achieve knowledge and success through our efforts, but true wisdom, the kind that lights the way, often comes from a teacher, a mentor, or a guide who helps us see beyond ourselves. As mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 463. ਜੇ ਸੋ ਚੰਦਾ ਉਗਵੈ ਸੂਰਜ ਚੜ੍ਹੈ ਹਜ਼ਾਰ ਏਤੇ ਚਾਨਣ ਹੋਂਦਿਆ ਗੁਰ ਬਿਨ ਘੋਰ ਅੰਧਾਰ. Meaning, if 100 moons were to rise and 1,000 suns appeared, even with such light, there would still be pitch darkness without the Guru. Now, Baba Amar Das ji, in his desperation, turned to the Almighty with even greater intensity. Day and night, he prayed for guidance, for a sign, for a guru. He prayed to the sacred Ganga, asking the river to bless him with a teacher who could lead him to the truth. His longing was so deep that one day he thought to himself, as mentioned in Suraj Prakash, Satgur Pura Je Mile De Nij Updeshu. सफल तपादिक होत हैं मिट जात कलेशु करमहीन इम मैं रखे अब सतगुर पाऊं नातर तज के अन्न जल निज तन बिन साऊं. Meaning, my devotion feels incomplete without the guidance of a true guru. No matter how much I pray, fast, or search, I remain lost. Was it my past karma that kept me from finding my guru? Perhaps I should give up food and water, surrender everything, if that was the only way to find the guru who could bring me peace. Friends, this part of Baba Amar Das ji's life is a reminder of the power of true yearning. When the heart seeks earnestly, the universe begins to align. And one such sleepless night, still consumed by sorrow, Baba Amar Das ji laid in his bed, and in the distance a voice rose, a melody so beautiful, so powerful, that it struck a chord deep within his heart.
चिंत पाई पाया मनूर कंचन फिर होवे जे गुर मिले तिने हाँ एक नाम अमृत ओह देवे तो नानक त्रिसठस दे
Hearing this, my dear friends, Baba Amar Das ji felt as if a ray of light had pierced through the darkness. He felt a connection so profound, so pure, that he knew this was the answer to his prayers. He rushed to Bibi Amroji, eager to learn all about it. Tune in next Tuesday to know who was Bibi Amroji and what was she singing. I hope this brings some light into your lives. Thank you.